Courtney, the Jamaican sweet potato has entered the chat. It hot and a bun me, woo! Anyway, we stuff the sweet potato with cheese. I use brie because it's buttery, creamy, and I love it. I tried the American sweet potato one just now, and it's good. Wait. Me need a second because me never expect that. So this reaction is for the Jamaican sweet potato, and can I tell you, it is so good. The Jamaican one took it up a notch. It's like it's richer and it's more flavorful. Oh my gosh, guys. When you see we start dancing with hold our hands so, you know have to ask. It nice, the food nice. It's so good. Yes, so that's it, guys. Look at it. That's the Jamaican sweet potato one. And you can see the orange one that's on the cutting board. That's the American sweet potato one. But guys, this is so good. I need you guys to try it.